Mr. Jagendra Prasad, Mr. Lakan Kumar, the school manager, representative from the Commissioner's Office, DPO, and Divisional Police Commissioner, the representatives from the Ministry of Education, parents and guardians, the student body, and the newly to be elected prefect of Seaqaqa Primary School, Maivalili. And good morning. First of all, I'd like to address the crowd in the vernacular before I address the speech. Maivalili, satiwa tei nawawe me tia turanga na maramani tiro moduata tino Seaqaqa e mewa tumutumu pati e mewa lalai. Tamanda meu ngabi meu bunga e meu bulmulare. Bulmulare meu ingare kau warina tena dai tumutumbu. Meu tumutumu non ngarabi meu tuare e na tua ine ngabi. Na wale meu tumutumu. O na wale ngabi na bungmuniwa. Ni bara ni ramai wa pilitai andra lalai andra sa digitai mana na bilu tai na onda orni buli o reda meu waruna tini meu tumutumu meu bisusu ena meu bitumbere mi vale na meu rota orni buli ena sanena ena ngenga ben ramai wat susungi tu andra lalai le ni bonorere e viti ni mata ena besinga satu manda ana Wabri minale bulan kitio, we emeu ngabiru la lai buli, meu leo ni ribuli meu mongani digitai, meu ni lai, baleta enda bati enda prefect ngai nonda romani vale. Tu we emeu itabi, tu me wabe mo sakalasi walu, meu itabi meu donga binda tadi meu la lai, nonda garunen rebe singa. Meu do wasala teriana meu do numiana ni meu lautio na visinga orni buli meu lebuli breta ambi e na onra uetio tadimiao na visinga todo meu ilara lai dunga ambi do warro breta ninda warro abi arre na utamai meu ngabti do motole o tero mumuselai mai mobo. Kani nandung motel mondo biare Bolivia no sale lai. Tawi susu Boliviau, ana bi susu sa mai tu ina yo yo. Ana bata na bi susu re. Ninda bi susu ni mai bi enda lingare ni bi susu ena ro. So bi miau na lai turang ni balu. Waso sa nung ta waso so mumbusia lai. Ya na ni miau nanda warorongo abi tutulele be nando tungala lai be enta e au samai tuai sabe tuai anda be vale silesi wa matintu enda gabiru mra na mai mabuli do gabiru matin miau ya ayeu le mundu nga warorongo era miau sa warorongo miau no rawa tabi ale le usatu miau ne singi mata miau buli banganga meu sanga meu rongo da enorme buli meu buli tinai ina be sing satu manda ngapai do to ore tianda na dunga lai mabuli mai bo sa mai president di sana karonga berindungan la ni Seaqaqa buli ena do do itu tule bol satu ana meu masu meu dungara bare meu lotu bare meu tale rawa Warung kan meu tumutumu merau ni meu roti na biare na bising ni mata. Nawani. I am extremely happy to be present here at the shores of Seaqaqa Primary School this morning to be a chief guest for the prefects investor ceremony 2023. Today we are here to witness an important occasion in your school calendar, the badging of your very own school prefects. School prefects become school leaders, and that in itself is a privilege, as they are entrusted with great responsibility to carry out their duties diligently and with great honesty. a badge is entrusted to you as school leaders because you have been chosen among the many as a student that has potential to be a good leader, and you will lead with compassion and empathy. Being a leader requires a lot of commitment, as you will need to be the role model to others and guide them towards the right path. You will need to have passion for the role you are given to make a positive change around you. You will be expected to be inclusive and treat all your colleagues, your fellow students, your family members, and your community members with equal love, respect, and care. As a leader, you need to be the mentors of support and encouragement to other students who need help to approach you, who should approach you, and they should feel comfortable around you. As a prefect, always remember, leadership is all about having a positive attitude. You are carrying the trust of your teachers and the students of your school. You are able to bring a smile and to add humor when needed. To lead is to serve with a positive, firm, and a generous attitude. Being a prefect is having the courage to balance between your schoolwork and your responsibility. You need to remain focused and committed to your studies and execute your duties with fairness and being just at all times. As future leaders of the nation, you are going to be entrusted with the leadership roles of our beloved Fiji, whether it be in the government, the church, or the manua, or even the private sector or civil society. Always uphold the values at all times. A good leader trusts the Lord to lead them and will uphold the Christian values to empower those around them. Girls and boys, we must keep in mind, not all of us can become prefects, but we can become good, honest, hardworking, and reliable students. Student life is a long path ahead. Continue working hard and set your aims high. Never forget that we have all hidden talents within us and that we have been blessed with, and harness that to your full potential. To the parents, I commend you and the members of the community for the effort that you make to be in school and be part of this of the national effort to develop our beloved Fiji into a knowledge-based society. The saying, "It takes a village to raise a child," is true for us all, as we are related and we depend on each other to uphold the right to a child being raised in a safe, secure, and stable environment. Our support and presence and our commitment is one important aspect of our children to look forward to and appreciate. Continue to play your part in education, children, for it is through your hard work your children are your living dreams. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would like to once again congratulate the newly inducted prefects and wish them well during their tenure this year. I wish all students the very best in your learning journey of 2023 and wish your parents and teachers well in their respective work. I strongly believe that the collaboration of parents, students and teachers and the government, together with the community at large, and their collective commitment to education will not only promote the teaching and learning process, but will further mold responsible leaders for our beloved Fiji. May the Almighty bless you all, and may God bless Fiji. Na valeu.
Sau sinanga.